Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's class, we will learn Scoon, yani Jazam. Scoon is equal to nothing, yani only we will pronounce the letter, not the vowel. The letter which have Scoon, we cannot read it alone until we don't have any vowel before it. If alif have any vowel or sukoon, that becomes hamza. So this alif we will read it as hamza. Hamza with fatha, a, and ba with sukoon, ab, ab. Hamza with kasra, e, and ba with sukoon, ib, ib. Hamza with dhamma, u, and ba with sukoon, ub, ub, ab, ib, ub. As ba is a kalkala letter, there are 5 kalkala letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. So if these letters have sukoon, we will make a kalkala on them. Kalkala means the sound comes back. More examples are in the lesson. Ab, ib, ub, ab, ib, ub, ah, ih, ah, ih, a, ir, a, ir, ah, ih, ah, ih, ar, ir, ar, ir, ah, ir, ah, ih, ako, iko, uko, ako, iko, uko, ak, ik, uk, ak, ik, uk, aj, ij, uj, aj, ij, uj, ash, ish, ush, ash, ish, ush, I, e, we, I, e, we, but we is not in the Arabic language or Quran. Od, id, ud, ad, id, ud, al, il, ul, al, il, ul, ang, in, un, an, in, un, ar, ir, ur, ar, ir, ur, at, it, ut, at, it, ut, ad, id, ud, ad, id, ud, at, it, ut, at, it, ut, as, is, uz, az, is, uz, as, is, us, as, is, us, ash, ish, ush, ash, ish, ush, ath, ith, uth, ath, ith, uth, oz, il, uz, oz, il, uz, az, id, uz, az, id, uz, am, im, am, im, af, if, uf, af, if, uf, au, iv, u, au, iv, u. If is also not there in Arabic language or Quran. A, I, U, A, I, U. Instructions. Sukun is a small circle above the letter. Sometimes it looks like a small dal. The letter that have sukun always connects with the previous letter, as in the examples. Sukun does not have any sound until we don't have any vowel with the previous letter. I wish you all the best. Best and easy way to learn Arabic. For more, please subscribe the channel. Revision points. Choose the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.